What is up, team? In today's video, we're going to be having a look at VRA and if you can become a potential millionaire in the next bull market holding Verasity, and how many VRA do you need exactly to become a millionaire by the next bull market. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. Let's dive in straight into CoinMarketCap first. Having a look at CoinMarketCap, market cap on VRA is currently ranked 351 with 384,000 people on the watch list, traded at 006246. Under 1 cent. Verasity altcoin gem, market cap 64 million, well below $100 million. Volume is currently sitting at $13 million. So moving on into this chart right here, how many VRAs do you need essentially to become a millionaire? Let's have a look. If you buy 100,000 Veracities today at a cost of $620, in order for you to become a millionaire, the VRA price would have to be $10. Now $10 would obviously be a market cap of $100 billion, assuming that this goes to $10 and the circulating supply stays the same. Now ask yourself, can VRA go to $100 billion market cap? It's not impossible, but it's not probable. Moving on to $250,000, 250,000 VRA, sorry. If you hold 250,000 Veracity at a price of $4, you would essentially become a millionaire if it goes to $4. Now, can VRA go to $40 billion market cap coin? Yes, but I don't think this upcoming bull market. Now, and of course, anything is really possible. I'm not saying it's impossible. Now, of course, the cost for this would be $1,550, which is very, very, very doable. Now, of course, moving on to 1 million, very self-explanatory. You could see $1 million goes to $1, 1 million Veracity goes to $1. You are holding $1 million indeed if it does go to $1. Now, the cost of that would essentially be $6,200. A little bit tough, but it is doable if you accumulate in a monthly basis. So this is why you should dollar cost average your position down. And that's what a lot of people don't understand, is that they don't essentially dollar cost average their position. Now, I don't know if you guys can see this right here, 6,200 right here. And then of course, 5 million would essentially be $31,000. So the cost of 5 million VRA would be $31,000 at a price of 20 cents. Now, 20 cents is very doable. We saw VRA last bull market in the all-time high. We saw where it went to 10 cents essentially. So I'm not saying it's impossible and it's not doable. It is very, very much doable. We peaked at 9 cents in the last bull market. So pretty much essentially what it would do is that you would essentially make $1 million if it goes 100% from the last all-time high. Is that possible? 100% possible. So this is how many VRAs you essentially need. Of course, the more VRA you have, the easier it's gonna be. That's simple math. But I know a lot of you guys wanted me to make this video because I made it on KDA yesterday, and why not just have fun with you guys? You know, this is pretty easy math, I'm not gonna lie, but it's also fun to do it with you guys, to grow the community together and to educate about people about VRA. So let's have a look at some technical analysis, because this is what I'm really good at overall. And we can see right here that a lot of people wanted me to have a look at the inverse head and shoulder and asked if the inverse head and shoulder is still valid. And to answer you guys' question, yes, the inverse head and shoulder is indeed still valid. We could see, guys, that this is the neckline right here. I'm gonna write it down for you guys. This is the neckline right here. We're gonna go step by step, okay? So we got the neckline right here. We got the left shoulder right here. The head, this is the head, which is the bigger body, kind of like a V or U shape. And then we got the right shoulder forming. Now the right shoulder should do something like that. And the big question is will we come back to the resistance? Now, this is a very, very, very important pattern and a very, very important resistance, because if we manage to break this resistance right here on VRA, this neckline, because we know we had not only one touch right here, sorry, let me open my pen, not only one touch right here, but 2 touch right here. We could definitely break out. If we manage to break out, we're most likely going to make a massive move and break to our target. Now, our target is our neckline to the bottom of the inverse head and shoulder, or the head, I should say. And our target should be anywhere between 4 cents to 5 cents, 0.049, sorry, not 0.049. But of course, we're gonna have to see if a reversal is happen, and if it does happen, are we gonna get a rejection? Now, before we usually break out completely. We usually come back, retest that area before popping and breaking out for real. So a lot of people are and might get scared when it does break out, but overall it seems like VRA is kind of rejecting, it's kind of rebounding from this support region right now, and we should start to see a reversal starting next week. Now the breakout should happen by the end of April, beginning of May 8th, May 15th. That's my prediction. Of course, anything can happen. Things can be like this also. We don't know. I don't know exactly. It's important to essentially not predict the market where it's going to go, and to essentially play the pattern, play the trade, and react to the market essentially. So you don't want to predict, but you want to really react to what the market is doing. So if you're trading and you're a short-term trader with leverage, doesn't matter what it is, or you're planning on buying, but you're scared because you don't know if it's going to go down or not, well, what you can do is, number one, first of all, if we go below this region right here, the inverse head and shoulder would be invalid, but it's still valid even if we go as low to 0.0045. So that's that. Number two, you want to react to the market. So if we see a breakout, what you want to really do is wait for the correction, wait for the retest before popping to the upside. So that's that on VRA. Verasity is here to stay. Verasity is doing wonders. The community is growing on Twitter. You could follow me on my Twitter. Feel free to do that. I mean, I talk about VRA. I drop a lot of charts on Verasity. And I mean, that's about it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.